Hi everybody, welcome to Flyingvoice. POTS lines have been the primary means of communication for alarm monitoring systems for decades. There are still millions of alarm panels that are still using POTS line to guarantee people's safety. As technology has changed, these copper lines are falling out and we are stepping in the world of voice over Internet protocol. However, VoIP converts the analog signals into the digital signals. How VoIP compresses and decompresses these signals can dramatically affect the attempted messaging. The most majority of remote alarm monitoring systems can only receive analog signals. Consequently, monitoring centers may not understand the alarm signals after converted by the VoIP. Ademco Contact ID protocol is the most popular protocol that enables the alarm system to communicate with the central station or other service provider. When an alarm was triggered, the alarm panel will capture the phone line and send the alarm signals to the central station. You might have seen this RJ31X connector that will connect both your telephone and phone panel to the phone jack on wall. People usually only have one telephone line in their house. This will allow the panel to occupy the telephone line and send signals to the alarm center even when there is a call. When we're talking about the POTS replacement for alarm system, there is no doubt that the great compatibility is needed to be assured. New systems should enable the legacy devices run as usual and not change users' habits. Besides the compatibility, we should also provide uninterrupted communication just like the old PSTN did. When you lose electric power by natural causes or intentionally caused by the intruders, any device without battery backup will be useless. Professional security system will have its own dedicated battery backup, but standard VoIP system don't. Now Flyingvoice provides this one-stop solution for POTS replacement in alarm system. Firstly, we provide a POTS box which includes an industry LTE router for internet access, the power bank for battery backup, and FXS gateway to handle the contact ID signal, converting and transmitting. LTE base station is everywhere. That's why LTE is the best solution for POTS replacement. Powering by the major IP technology, you can flexibly decide your system goes to which service provider or alarm center. This POTS replacement box provides multiple internet connections that support network failover to guarantee uninterrupted connection, including the dual SIM cards and connection to broadband. With Flyingvoice POTS Box, you could upgrade your alarm system to IP network, which offers high-speed transmission, reliability, and flexibility for your application in alarm center. If you're interested in this POTS replacement for the alarm system, please contact us. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.